Hello guys, Global Studio here today for your SolidWorks tips and tricks. In this video we will learn about how to make this compression spring. Without any delay, let's start this video. I will close this window and we will start with the new template. Go to file, take new and click to the part and give OK. After that, go to top plane and create a sketch. Create one circle like this. Give the dimension 50 mm and exit the sketch. After that, go to helix and guys, you should remember this is a compression spring, so that we have to add variable pitch for this model. I already have some data with me, so that you can add the same data in the table. As you can see guys, here region parameters, you can add all the data here. I provided all the data in this image. Now let's add all this data into this. This one 5 mm, this one 6 and this one 5 mm. And after that, third line it is 10 mm and 17 mm. 10 mm height, 17 mm is a pitch. Again 100 mm height, 17 mm pitch and 17 mm pitch. Again 104 mm and 5 mm pitch. And the last row is 110 and 5. 110 and 5. As you can see, in 0 mm height, a 5 mm pitch is available. For 6 mm height, it is pitch 5 mm. For 10 mm height, the pitch is again 17 mm. And 100 mm, same 17 mm pitch. And after that we have to reduce it again. 100 to 104, it is 5 mm. And 104 to 110 meter, 110 mm, it is 5 mm. Okay, after that just click OK and make this 180 degree start angle, and after that just click OK. After this, we have to create profile, a circular profile. Take the right plane and create a sketch over here and draw one circle like this. Give the diameter 4.9 guys, we have to give 4.9, otherwise it will clash. Okay, like this. After that, select this center point. Select this center point and select the helix. Then just click to this PS, so that it will go and constrain to this end of the helix. After that, go to features, select the swept boss or base, select the profile and select the path. And give OK. As you can see guys, we created the spring now. This is the compression spring. As you can see, the wire pitch will be, the wire pitch is very near here in both ends, and it gradually increases in the middle and gradually decreases in the end. After this, we have to cut both ends, but before that, just hide this helix. After that, we have to cut in the both ends. For that, take the right plane and create the cut profile. Take rectangle and choose this center and create one rectangle like this, and also we have to create rectangle on the other end also. Create one vertical line like this, guys, and we given the height already 110 mm. Give it here. We have to cut it in 110 mm height. Then take the rectangle again, draw a rectangle like this, then go to features, take the extruded cut option, and then select both the sketches and make this option direction 1, make this as mid plane and increase this dimension. 80 mm is sufficient, and then give OK. As you can see guys, we modeled our spring here. That's all guys. I hope you guys followed the full tutorial properly. If you guys learned anything from this video, then please don't forget to subscribe and like and also share. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. I will meet you guys in the next video.